Ki samla Pule jong ke jela ba ke than chte lam mi hi barok ka wei ki buan Pule ki college ke badan ha kanong ba shlong. Nang ni shakmat lari ki kwa ban Pule se ka course NCC. Kat ba kidang Pule ka graduation kin la ban Shim ke subject kum ka wei na ki elective subject. Ha ke jingelang ke belalong ha ke arpu artarek unaitung ha ke yeng chong dorbar ke badan ha ke yeng sa jong ulat ke jela haraj bhavan. Ulat ke jelau Satyapal Malik ulapan benai kene ke kos batamai haki college ki bahab apok ke skol ba North Eastern Hill University Shillong. Ya ke kos NCC lapan benai haki ne ke sngi de ulat kum ke UGC course. Haki baki samla Pule ke niok ban Pule tang haki college ki bahab kene ke jela ki bahab apok ke skol ba NEHU. Haki ne ke jingelang penbenai kene ke kos batamai haki ne ke sngi lai don lang ru additional DG jong ke NCC North East Directorate u Major General Ananta Bhuyan Vice Chancellor ke Sekolah Ba North Eastern Hill University, Professor Khynnah Srivastav, bat kiwe ke Shampang na Sekolah Ba NEHU, bat ki college baper ke jela. Habakran ke jingelang kumukongsan ulat ke jela Satyapal Malik, ulong ba kejing pendrung ke kos batamai college na bentai ki samla ke badang Pule ke graduation. Kanlong kejing mentoy shibon ki samla, namar kini ke subjek kan erap shibon ban sandori ka long renyang ka perkhat perdan bat kini shibon ke jing hikai helor ki benta ke bedai ke jing im jongki ke baman la kasni kam tam ban senyang syaki im lang salang.
This decision will make NCC a lot more attractive to the students as it would be a scoring subject and also provide them a lot of opportunities to develop their leadership skills, character and physical fitness. I am sure that the university and NCC Directorate are making efforts to educate the student population on this, as time spent in NCC as a cadet is a life-changing experience that equips you with all the skills required to succeed in life and be responsible citizen of this country. I myself attribute my success in public service to the training I received and the values I imbibed in NCC. I hereby announce the promulgation of NCC as an elective subject in NEHU. I congratulate the ADG, NCC and Vice Chancellor on this important day. I am sure that the students of various colleges of NEHU and people of Meghalaya as a whole will benefit from it.